Okay, here we are at My Place Hotel. This is my room, and I've already done a video about this room. So I'm just going to do a quick glance around. You can see the little kitchen area and stuff like that. Very cool bathroom. Okay. But this video is mainly going to be about the pool area. So quickly here, there is a dog waste station thing here where you're supposed to pick up your dog poop. And just down the end of the hall here is the pool area. There's the elevator right there. So this pool area is kind of cool. Got you some bathrooms out here for the pool. Some water fountains. Neither one of them are working right now. Of course, it's freezing, so they're probably they're turned off for all that. There's a Culver's next door, and it looks like a couple places to eat. I think a Jack in the Box nearby. I guess there's a little grill out here you can use. And hot tub. Yeah. Very cool. I don't know if the hot tub turns on. Oh yeah, it turns on. There's the start jets button. Oh yeah. I know where I'm going to be getting in about 10 minutes. I'm going to be doing some relaxing in this hot tub for sure. Okay, now this is the pool. My place, I'm pretty impressed with this place. I've stayed at a lot of hotels these last few weeks and all my life actually. And for the money, this place is excellent. It gets down to 5 feet. It's got a few steps in the middle there and looks like a cool area for kids. Now, I see this button that says water feature, and I don't know because I haven't pushed it yet, but I'm guessing this is the water feature. And so I'm gonna push it and see. Okay. Oh, okay. I was wrong. It's not the, do I see steam coming off of this pool? Is this a heated pool? I'm fixing to find out. Oh my gosh, this water is freaking warm. Oh my gosh. I sound excited. Because I am a little bit. I don't know what these water features are for, but what comes to mind quickly is that certainly they could clean your butt off. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, this is my place. This is St. George, Utah. Brand new hotel. And I love this concept. This is very cool. Very cool, very reasonable price. And it looks like I'm going to be going swimming even though it's going to be snowing here shortly. So, anyway, life is good.